Guys, this is Mr. Chango and I got a video for you. Today I'm going to show you my ghetto, that's right, ghetto version of an arcade stick that I made. I went on eBay and I ordered me some sanwa original 30 I believe it's 30 millimeter buttons and a JLF stick. They're all original sanwa Japanese parts. And this, yes, you guessed it right, it's a topaware box instead of a case. This is in case if you want to save money or you don't have any, I guess, creativity skills maybe, or just want to get down and play right away. This is a good case. I like it. It cost me $5 at a dollar store. So it's very sensitive, but it's still hard for tapping on the buttons. But it's very sensitive, and it means that if you want to drill holes into it, you know, you can get your buttons in right away. Let me show you the inside. It's very messy. Still haven't finished it, but it's ready to play. This is my stick. The buttons, and this is the ghetto version of the daisy chain, what they call it. And this is the PCB board. I got this PCB board out of an old fighting stick that I bought maybe a year ago. It's a Honcam, H-O-N-C-A-M, Honcam, I believe, PS3. It's the stick originally that this PCB board was in. It was very cheap. It had a cheap stick, plastic, and the buttons were like not push button sensor, like sensitive. It was very hard, and so yeah, I decided to do my own thing, you know. Take the board out, and I try to put this buttons in the stick with the case, the original case that came with, but somehow the connectors would be on the way, and the stick, this part will be on the way. So I just decided, you know, what the hell, let's get rid of it. And I created my own stick. On this case, I soldered the buttons and hot glued them into the board. Here into the buttons, and some boards I may add some boards are common ground, so you have to get into the board of the joystick and scratch off the common ground. But on this case, all I did was use one ground. As you can see, there's one ground for the stick, and the other ones are just you know, your up, your left, your right, and you're down, and all I did was one ground, and it worked perfectly. So, you know, I'm happy. It's a little ghetto, so it's not done. I eventually will build my own case out of wood. That's what I want to do. And very spacious, as you can see. I got the old stick here, the old joystick stick that it came with, and as you can see, it's plastic, very cheap compared to your sanwa JLF. So it comes with a USB, so you can you can hook it up to a PlayStation 2 or PlayStation 3 or PC. So let's give it a try. So let's put it right here on. Excuse my movement, it's a little bit messy. There it is. Let's plug it in. We're gonna play Marvel vs. Capcom 3 Ultimate. Like I said, it's not finished, but it's good enough to start playing some games. And my ghetto version of starting it is you have to, let's see, excuse me, sorry. Okay, see these buttons right here? Those are your R3, your L3, and your PS home button and your turbo. So what we need to do is start the arcade stick, and we're gonna use this little plastic button to make it start. And wait for it. And there it is. You can see it's on. I have to fix this. That's dirty, guys. That's dirty and messy. But the case works. So let's see. works. Stick works pretty good. Sensitive, I like that. Let's go into some offline. And let's do some training. And I'm not a very good player at this. I like more first-person shooters, but let's see what we can do. Let's get Mr. Frank West. No, let's get, Frank West. Shopping card. Let's get some Ryu. And let's get some Doctor Strange. There we go. And then just random all. Let's get some volume going here.
Already identified 17 ways to beat.
And it's like I said, you can get a bigger box or smaller box. This one's pretty big for me. Actually, kind of huge. So you can see, let's see, forward, backward, down, up, and then you got your buttons. I want to make this look good. Sorry if it's a little bit sloppy. There we go. See? So I just kind of wanted to show you guys what playing this thing actually feels like. The controllers are very responsive, as you can see. As you can see, the command shows all the buttons being pressed. There we go. Cool. Down, 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 up. Dash, dash, forward, 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 forward. Walking, walking, walking. There you go, guys. So it's just got 8 buttons. It doesn't have a start select. As you can see, they're inside of the on the PCB. I gotta make 2 more soldering kits for the buttons. So I just got my 8 buttons, 3 punches, 3 kicks, and then it's just 1 and 2, and then I gotta get start select here somewhere future. Right now I don't need it, so I'm just trying to show you guys a quick way to get an arcade stick going. There's several easier PCBs to buy on eBay for $9, and they come with the wiring kits and all that good stuff. And they're simpler. They're not as complex as this one. I just found that out about last week. So they're like $19 on eBay, and they comes with a PCB and quick connectors and the daisy chains, and for $19, and it's free shipping from China. So this is just a quick way if you want to get your stick going. So rate, like, subscribe, comment, and tell me what's your favorite fighting game. And if it's this one, tell me what your favorite character is. This is Mr. Chango. PlayStation ID is Mr. Chango 26, all small caps. See you guys soon. Thank you.